Imagine you're standing at the edge of a forest. You know there's treasure hidden somewhere inside. But there's no map, no trail, no clue where to go. That's what chasing change feels like without clear goals. You want a better life, but without direction, you wander in circles. So today, let's draw that map. Welcome to Ask AI, the channel where your weirdest questions get the VIP treatment from our silicon-brained superstar. In Phase 1, we talked about recognizing the need for change, but awareness is only the first step. Now it's time to turn that spark into action by setting SMART goals, a framework that transforms vague dreams into clear, achievable targets. Phase 2. Set SMART goals. SMART goals are the secret weapon of lasting transformation. Each letter guides you toward progress. Specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," make it clear, "I want to run 3 miles without stopping." Measurable. Add a number or marker. For example, "I want to lose 10 pounds," gives you a way to track progress. Achievable. Push yourself, but don't set impossible standards. If you've never run before, aiming for a marathon next week sets you up for frustration. Relevant. Your goal should align with your bigger vision. If your ultimate dream is financial freedom, setting a goal to learn budgeting makes sense. Learning to juggle fire? Not so much. Time-bound. A deadline creates urgency. "I want to save $1,000 in 3 months," gives you a finish line to aim for. Think of it this way. Specific tells you what, measurable shows you how much, achievable keeps it realistic, relevant connects it to your why, and time-bound locks it into your calendar. SMART goals aren't just boxes to tick. They're stepping stones, each one bringing you closer to the life you want. So ask yourself right now, what's one SMART goal I can set today that will move me forward? And remember, this is only Phase 2 of your transformation journey. In Phase 3, we'll talk about strategic planning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, you drop the question, I drop the knowledge, with a side of snark. So smash that comment box, no question is too crazy. Subscribe, ring the bell, and hit us with your best brain teasers and belly laugh inducers. Let's make Ask AI the ultimate Q&A playground.